In this video, I'll be showing you how to join a Windows client operating system to become part of a domain controller using PowerShell script. This could be a Windows 10 or a Windows 11 operating system. So first of all, what you want to do is the following. You want to actually make sure that you are able to ping the domain controller, which for me is the DC001, which is this domain. Here you can see we can actually ping it without any issue. And here is the domain name. And again, what I want to do is I want to make sure that I actually join the device to this domain, and automatically the device will be joined to this organizational unit called client. So let's go back again to our client operating system. Here I have a PowerShell script I'll be using. You can see I'm using the PowerShell script, add command, then here's the domain name, and you can see the domain name. Then we have the curve global is the domain name, and see the organizational unit path is going to be this path. So, well, if I hit enter and if everything goes well, I'll be requested to enter an administrator name for that domain. So I'll be entering the following and then enter your password and then hit enter. So if all the parameters you enter is correct, you say one, the change will take effect after you restart the computer C001. So let's go back again to our domain and then we'll do a refresh. Here you can see the device have just been joined to this domain. So what we just need to do to actually finish the process is we can actually just do a shutdown and then do / restart. Then the time is going to be now. So what I'm doing is I'm going to use this command to start my device, which is shutdown. Then the arrow means restart. If I just enter S, it's going to be just like shut down the device, and the T means that the timing I want to use, and I'll use time which is 0, which is now. If I have 60, it's going to be 60 seconds. So if I hit enter, automatically you can see that my device will begin to restart. So that is how you add a device to become part of a domain controller using PowerShell script.